Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. Hello and welcome. Now before we start, I wanted to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis or on any related items on these, my charts. This was all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, ICE Brent crude oil futures. A gapping lower bearish black Mariposa and second bearish black crow on Friday after the previous session's capping move of a combined bearish dark cloud cover pattern and bearish opening black Mariposa. This previous action was generated within the overhead resistance between 73.18 to 73.42, which has just above it the 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 73.73. The gapping lower move on Friday opened within the next congestion below, which is between 68.33 to 72.29, which included the gold long moving average, currently at 71.20. Pushing below this and quite a way lower, stopping at the congestion at 69.27, which is just above the rising green short medium moving average, currently 68.89, before closing at the Fibonacci congestion at 69.69. In a bigger picture, this was a pullback down towards the showrunner for this market since last summer. The many times broken and many times repaired and currently broken dark blue April to July 2024 bearish shift pitch fall. The dark blue upper trend is a little below, currently at 68.28. As I said last week, and I quote, this is still an influential pattern despite the breaks both higher and lower. Now so far today, a lower open and a reaction move back up and then back down, pressing the green short medium moving average at the moment, halting at congestion at 68.69. Spot gold. A bullish closing white Mariposa and second bullish white soldier on Friday, closing right on the broken lower bull channel line, currently at 33.69, for the late June to late July bull channel. Last week's actions can be summed up by the market being supported by the rising mauve medium moving average below, currently at 32.77, and capped by that broken lower bull channel line. Interestingly, it seems the green short medium moving average, currently at 33.41, only capped the market in the first part of last week. We are now well under the downgraded broken early April to mid-May bullish shift pitch fall, and I will likely shortly retire this pattern. Now, I'd previously noted that the action since about mid-April offered some potential for an inverted cup with handle pattern, usually a bearish pattern. I even offered some potential targets below for this pattern. However, I have been now minded to retire these as we seem to be extending the action in the recent zone and area, and I'd rather wait and see what may come from this development. Now, so far today, a further capping action from the broken lower bull channel line, but also now support from the green short medium moving average below, surprisingly. Or maybe not. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.